Welcome, my friends, to the most spirited season of them all. I am your host, your ghost host. The 999 happy haunts and I are ready to materialize for a spectacular celebration. You never know who will drop in. After all, this is Halloween.
This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see, it's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkin scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween, everybody make a scene, trick or treat, till the devil's going to die, right?
Disembodied friends would like to serenade you with some scary okie. Just a few of our favorite tunes that we dug up for the occasion. We hope you'll enjoy a little night music. Feel free to sing along.
We're just some poor unfortunate souls in pain, in need. Before your eyes, you'll see them multiply.
Halloween, darlings!
Why, the Sea Witch. So glad you could plop in.
This is what I live for. It's such a wicked time of year, isn't it? And I have just the spell to put us all in the mood. Lucas of Rubicon, wings of the Caspian Sea. The Princess Lycidas, Max Laryngitis, the watching to me. Now sing. Sing! Sing!
Poor unfortunate souls in pain in the end.
Yes! Yes! I've been kidding when they call me, well, a witch.
Poor unfortunate souls in pain in the end.
Listen up, sweet lips. I'll give you all a little treat.
Poor unfortunate souls, so sad, so true.
Next year you'll be acting like me.
Poor unfortunate souls. Yes, our teeth and ambitions are bare. Be prepared.
Trick or treat! It is I, Jafar! I'm sure you wouldn't dream of starting the fun without me!
Why, you're dead right.
Well then, let me treat you all to a little sorcery in the sky! Man, you call that magic? Move, old boy, and let Mr. Oogie kick it up a notch. Well, what have we here? A trick-or-treater, huh? Oh, I'm really scared. So you're the ones they're talking about. When Mr. Oogie Boogie says there's trouble close at hand, you better pay attention now, 'cause I'm the boogeyman. Hey! Boogie
And now, to end our ghostly gathering, we invite you to partake in our favorite Halloween tradition, the Scream Along. Any volunteers? Just scream like you're trying to wake the